Hello everyone, and welcome back to AI Tech for Growth channel. Remember Star Trek Discovery when Captain Michael checks mission updates on a floating display? That's more than just sci-fi. It's a glimpse into the future of spatial computing. According to futurists and leading entrepreneurs, the monitors, keyboards, mouse, and smartphone touchscreens we use to interact with computers today will soon feel like outdated relics. Right now, we're living in a transitional phase where spatial computing is already becoming reality. In this video, we'll explore how the convergence of key technologies is shaping the future, a future where the Web 3.0 acts as a flywheel, powered by metaverse with key technologies like spatial computing, cloud, AI, Web 3.0, and blockchain. Together, they create a system that continuously generates new value, especially fueling the growth of the creator economy. So, how does all of this work without relying on a traditional computer? First, MR mixed reality devices use built-in cameras and depth sensors to perceive and interpret the objects and environment around you in real time. While most MR devices can run apps on their own processors as standalone, when it comes to really heavy tasks, like rendering detailed 3D worlds or building shared virtual spaces, they lean on cloud services. As MR glasses keep evolving, they're moving toward a hybrid setup combining built-in spatial processors with cloud computing. Chips like X-Real's X1 handle simple tasks locally, like motion tracking and simple visuals. But for heavier jobs, like creating super detailed 3D worlds or connecting lots of users at once, they tap into the cloud. Services like NVIDIA Cloud XR stream high-quality content directly to the glasses, using fast 5G networks. It's a smart balance that keeps the glasses lightweight while delivering powerful, high-quality experiences, perfect for the next generation of the metaverse. Complementing onboard and cloud processing, edge computing and distributed sensor networks provide alternative frameworks that enhance the operation and scalability of MR devices. Unlike conventional devices like PC and smartphone displaying apps on a flat screen, MR overlays digital content directly into your real-world surroundings. Virtual objects appear anchored in physical space, creating the illusion that they exist right there with you. Because these digital interfaces are layered into your environment, you can interact with them using hand gestures, voice commands, and increasingly eye tracking and facial expressions. It allows for a natural, intuitive control of digital elements. It's a completely new form of interaction, something smartphones or PCs can only scratch the surface of. This is spatial computing at its peak, deeper immersion and seamless interaction between human and computer. Before we dive into how AI is powering the metaverse, let's quickly watch a clip from the Transformers movie. As you can see here, AI is like the Allspark. It breathes life into machines, transforming them into something entirely new and powerful. Now let's take a closer look at real-world examples like the Apple Vision Pro and the Meta Quest. AI powers object recognition. First, the cameras and sensors on MR devices capture the environment around you. Second, AI processes this information to recognize and understand real-world objects in real time. For example, Meta's latest AI model, SAM2 Segment Anything Model 2, can break down complex images and videos into recognizable segments like identifying balls, shoes, coffee pots, and cups, just the way our eyes and brains naturally do. Seamless augmented reality experiences. Third, once objects are accurately recognized, AI can also detect patterns and understand context, making MR devices far more intuitive and useful. For example, you could see instant information pop up about books or control your smart home devices just by pointing at them. AI for natural interaction. AI isn't just recognizing the world. It also makes interacting with MR devices natural and intuitive. Apple Vision Pro uses narrow AI like a private version of Siri to understand and execute voice commands securely and quickly. It also uses AI to recognize hand gestures for app controls, removing the need for physical controllers. Overall, as we noticed by now, AI is making MR devices smarter, improving both the hardware through sensors and object recognition and the software through natural interaction and seamless experiences. This synergy is transforming MR devices into true next-generation tools for the metaverse. AI doesn't end there. As the metaverse grows complex, AI agents will guide users through virtual spaces, making navigation easier and the experience more personalized. Also, AI tools are truly a new power for creators, letting everyone try out their ideas and imaginations. As you learned in the previous video, the metaverse is a vast, open space that still needs to be filled with endless creations. So far, we've explored spatial computing and AI, two key technologies that amplify the potential of the metaverse. Now, let's take it a step further. Blockchain seamlessly fits into this ecosystem by bringing the philosophy and values of Web 3.0 to life. It enables creators to monetize their work without intermediaries, ensuring that ownership and profits remain in their hands. Take Decentraland, for instance. Built on Ethereum, it's a decentralized virtual world where users buy, sell, and create digital assets like land and avatar wearables using its native cryptocurrency Mana. Decentraland's open marketplace lets creators sell user-generated content such as clothing, accessories, and even custom emotes directly to others, keeping 97.5% of primary sales and earning royalties on resales, while a community-run DAO ensures creators have both profit and a voice in the platform's future. As Lisa fell in love with this virtual experience, home decorating felt like the perfect fit for her talent. She sees a huge opportunity as the furniture and decoration industry transforms through immersive metaverse experiences. Using tools like 3ds Max or Blender, she could design furniture and decor in 3D, bringing her ideas to life and exploring new career opportunities all within the immersive metaverse. She's excited for what's next. How exciting is it that Lisa discovered her next career through the metaverse? Let's recap the key takeaways. Spatial computing enables a new level of interaction, offering deeper immersion and seamless human-computer engagement beyond what smartphones or PCs can provide. AI enhances the metaverse in both the hardware and the software. Also, AI will navigate users and become a powerful tool for creators. Blockchain is indeed the foundational technology empowering the creator economy in the metaverse. So, what do you think? Can you spot opportunities in your own work, studies, or passions? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Next time, we're diving into next super contents and exploring how to monetize them in Web 3.0 environment. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next episode.